legal malpractice and the negligent construction lawyer settlement. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I'm here this afternoon to talk about a case where we represented a victim of legal malpractice. Our client was the owner of a small construction company. Actually, it was clients, his husband and wife, and the wife did all the office work, the bookkeeping, and the husband did the construction supervision, and they had a successful business in Massachusetts for many years. One of the things they were doing at the time was buying prefab houses, buying some land, putting the house on the land, selling it. And the customers were all very happy. They had no significant problems until they bought a defective house. It was defective. We won't go into the defects here, but it had multiple defects. They tried to put it up. They tried to get it to pass inspection. They tried to fix it in every way possible, and it wouldn't work. So went into foreclosure. Our client hired a lawyer, and the lawyer did various things. And he screwed up so many things that our clients hired a second lawyer. And by the time they got to trial, in federal court at this point, they realized that they didn't have an expert because their first lawyer had failed to file the proper notices of an expert in the expert's testimony as required by the rules of federal court, all courts actually. The lawyer simply did not know the rules of court. So they went forward with the trial without an expert, and even though our client was essentially an expert, things got out of hand. Motions were ruled against him, and his lawyer lost for him in federal court. He hired us, and we pursued a case against the first lawyers for failing to file the expert disclosure, and the second lawyer for failing to properly litigate that issue and properly try the case. And the case went through multiple incarnations and multiple motions, and finally we got in the position to settle it, and we were able to settle it. But it was not without a lot of work to get it to that point. And that's because there were multiple lawyers and multiple malpractice companies, malpractice insurance companies fighting us, and we were very effective in getting this case resolved. It wasn't full value. Let's be honest, it wasn't full value because so much had gone on, and so much of the problem was because of the first firm, and the second firm was blaming the first firm in the litigation. The first firm had been many years earlier. If you've been a victim of legal malpractice, give us a call. We're very effective. Construction litigation, blowing the statute of limitations, divorce, probate matters, give us a call. We're very effective. We're very aggressive. We've been doing this for decades. Give Burns and Jan a call. Thank you.